The Prairie Fishing Report with Jeff and Jason Matity of getfishing.ca. Brought to you by the Saskatchewan Wildlife Federation. The SWF reminds everyone to help stop the spread of aquatic invasive species. Make sure to always clean, drain, dry your boat and equipment after each use.
I'm Jason Matity with getfishing.ca. If you have a boat, some small maintenance items can make the boat last. Make sure you change your oil in both the engine and the leg before freeze up. That way it's ready to go first thing in the spring. Wipe the boat down with a 50% water and vinegar solution after every fishing trip. It'll keep the boat shiny and prevent slime and algae buildup, which will eventually impact your protective paint job. A clean boat also reduces the chance of you bringing in an aquatic invasive species, such as zebra mussel or spiny water flea.
The Saskatchewan Wildlife Federation's Quigley Raffle and 50/50 add-on is now live. To view the outstanding prizes, read the rules of play, or to purchase your tickets, visit swf.sk.ca before August 13th.